Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my C language practical lab. In this tutorial, I describe break and continue statement in C and nested loop. Let's start. I open TurboC and create a new program. In C language, there are three kinds of loops. First one is do while loop, second one is while loop, and the last one is for loop. In this program, I implement continue and break statement on do while loop. So I title the program do while break continue and nested loop. Okay, I build the basic program block as include stdio.h as include Birdman CLR SCR get ch, right? This is basic program block. Now first I want to print from 1 to 10 using do while loop. So declare a variable I, int I is equal to 1. Do printf %d I plus plus while I less than is equal to 10. This program print 1 to 10. Now I save it. Now I run it. It prints 1 to 10. Now I implement break statement in this do while block. Suppose I add if I is equal to 5, then break. What happened? If I run the program, it display from 1 to 4. Now I run it. Okay, it displays 1 to 4. Now I explain why it print 1 to 4 rather 1 to 10. When I reaches 5, the break statements will execute. When break executes, it transfers the control to the end of this for loop. That's end of the do while loop. That means break statement has power to terminate the immediate iterative statement and reaches control to the statement immediate after the iterative block. In this do while block, when break occur, it reaches the control to get ch. So it prints from 1 to 4 rather 1 to 10 as earlier. Okay, this is the function of break statement. Now I discuss continue statement. That means I implement continue statement in do while block. I save this program at 31 say no function h32. Okay, now implement continue statement. Suppose I made few changes. I is equal to 0. I plus plus. If I is equal to 5, continue. Continue. Else I rather I plus plus and want to print 0 1 to 10. Okay, it prints 1 to 10 except 5. Okay, now I run it. Sorry, I forget to put semicolon. Okay, I again run it. It prints 1 2 3 4. 5 is omitted. 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now I explain why 5 is omitted. That means the function of continue statement. When I reaches 5, then continue statements will be executed. When compiler find continue statement, control reaches to the beginning of the do while loop. So it does not print I. That means when I is equal to 5, computer does not print 5. It again reaches beginning of the block and I will increment it by 1. So it skip 5 and print 6 up to 10. That is the function of continue statement. Now it is clear what break statement does and what continue statement does. Okay, now the next program I want to understand about nested loop. Okay, I save this whole file as a new file. Okay, here I implement nested loop. I delete all existing code and rebuild the program. I is equal to I is equal to nothing, another variable j is equal to say 100. Okay, I implement another do within do loop. Do printf outer loop, z is equal to same j plus plus I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, printf inner loop, I loop here j is equal to I is equal to %d new line I plus plus while I less than is equal to 10. Get ch clear screen or scr. Okay, it is the example of nested loop. Why it is called nested? Being this is a do while loop and this is a do while loop. This do while loop is within another do while loop. So loop within loop is called nested loop. Now I run the program. I plus plus yes I equal to while j less than is equal to 105. Okay, outer loop j is equal to 1, in inner loop I is equal to 1 to 10. If I press another key, outer loop 103 and j is equal to 1 to 10. I press another key 104, outer loop j is equal to 110 and I is equal to 1 to 10. Like this it prints j is equal to 105 and I is equal to 1 to 10. That means for each iteration j print 101 and I print 1 to 10. J print 102, I print 1 to 10. Like this j reaches 105 and I print 1 to 10. That means each iteration of j, each iteration of outer loop, inner loop, this loop execute 10 times. This is the implementation of nested loop. Now the next example for while loop. that is while break, continue and nested loop. First I execute, I demonstrate break. I delete all codes and write program by the beginning. Int I is equal to 1 while I less than is equal to 10, printf %d I plus plus. Okay, this program prints 1 to 10. I run it. Sorry, printf. It prints 1 to 10. Now I implement break in this while loop. Like earlier program, if I is equal to 5, then break. That is, in this program it prints 1 to 4. Okay, now I implement continue here. If I is equal to 5, continue, rather break, else print I plus plus. Okay, if I run, then what happened? It fallen into infinite loop. I terminate this program and reopen it. If I is equal to 5, then I put this line here. Just Ctrl Y. Now it prints 1 to 10 and I will be initialized to 0, rather 1. This program print 1 to 10 except 5. That means program omits 5. Now I run it. Okay, it prints 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is omitted. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It needs 10, so I remove. If it mandatory to print 10, I eliminate. I less than is equal to 10 is equal to is eliminated here and put I less than 10. Okay, now I again check it. It prints 1 to 10 except 5 is eliminated. Now I implement nested loop on while loop. File save to 5 nested loop. Zero j is equal to 100. Suppose I is equal to 1. While printf outer loop I is equal to %d plus n I. Okay, I want to print j here, j, and I is equal to 1. So no need to initialize 1 here. Simple I is equal to 1. I print j while I less than is equal to 10. Printf inner loop %d \n comma I plus here j less than 105. Say 105. Okay, I want to hold each iteration, so I write get ch and want to clear the output of each iteration clr scr. Okay, now I check the program again. I is equal to int I 10, j is equal to 100, while j less than 105. Outer loop j is equal to this. Initialize I is equal to 1, I less than is equal to 10, I plus gets h. Okay, fine. Now I run this program. Okay, first iteration j is equal to 100 and I print 1 to 10. Next iteration okay, it fall again iterative statement, infinite loop. So I reopen it. j plus plus. I forgot to increment the j. So the earlier program falls into infinite loop. Okay, now I run this program. J is equal to 1. I print 1 to 10. I press any key. J is equal to 100 to 1. Again I print 1 to 10. I press a key. J is equal to 100 to I is equal to 1 to 10. Like this 103. Like this J is equal to 104. After that it returns to output window. So for each increment of j, this loop execute 10 times. In this case, this is called inner loop and this one is called outer loop, being a while loop within another while loop. So this code block is known as nested loop. The same will be implemented for loop. Okay, I write new program. That is, we replace for. I eliminate all code of earlier program, just remain intact the basic program block. Otherwise, another line of code I eliminate. For int I is equal to 1, I less than is equal to 10, I plus plus. Printf %d I. This program prints 1 to 10. Okay, I run it. This program prints 1 to 10. Now I implement break in for loop. Very simple, like earlier program. If I is equal to 5, break. This program print 1 to 4. Okay, I run it. This program print 1 to 4. Explanation is same. Now I implement nested for. That means I introduce another for within this for. For int j is equal to 1, j less than j is equal to 100, j less than is equal to 105, j plus plus. Printf outer loop I is equal to person d expression lower by reach inner loop I is equal to person d I. After this get ch clear scene. Okay, now I run it. Okay, outer loop, one more thing, I want to terminate inner loop. I put here new line rather space. I put here new line rather space. Now I run the program once again. Outer loop, sorry, no need to get ch more. J is equal to I and j is equal to here j. Okay, I is equal to 1. So sorry, j. I is equal to 1, j print 100 to 105. J is equal to 2, I is equal to 2, j print 100 to 105. Inner loop. Outer loop, I is equal to 3. Inner loop, j is equal to 100 to 105. Like I is equal to 4, like I is equal to 5. Like I is equal to 6, I is equal to 7, I is equal to 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Discussion like while loop and like do while loop. This is called inner loop and this is called outer loop. In this tutorial, I cleared the break statement, continuous statement, and nested loop for all kinds of loop: do while loop, and for loop. Next tutorial, I want to discuss array. So all are asked to visit my next tutorial, and this tutorial reaches to end.